So I've tried the appeal process of Twitter for you. You can see that it's a gimmick. It is false. Back in the 24th of February, so it's been a month, one of my tweets has been censored. And they said, okay, you can delete your tweet or you can appeal. But if you appeal, your account will be blocked while we review your appeal. And if you delete the tweet, then your account will be put back, no problem. So this is a blackmail, because if you don't want your account to be blocked, then you delete your tweet. You agree to the censorship. But if you want to appeal, you don't know how long it will take, and your tweet will not appear. Your account is blocked for the duration of the appeal. So I waited, and now it's been almost a month, and there's no news about it. Each time I go to my account, it's blocked with my tweet, and they offer me to just delete it or just continue to wait for the appeal to happen. And the appeal can be denied after 1 month, 2 months. They can say, okay, we have reviewed your appeal and it's denied. So now you can delete your tweet or go fuck yourself. They could say that. But in the meantime, 1 month, nothing happens. So you see, it's a blackmail. So there's no appeal. It's just they wait until you delete your tweet, or they can wait forever. They don't care. So that's the reality of the things. And my tweet is in French, so you will not understand it, but it's nothing bad, in fact. I was just a response to something I can explain to you, but this is just a news story about a kid in a school that eats pupils, other pupils, and eats teachers, and it's in France, so France is chaotic. So they keep the kid in the school. They cannot expel him. That's the way it works in France. And there's nothing you can do. You cannot hit the child. You cannot put it in jail. You cannot exclude him from the school. So the other people, they are asking them. Everybody is saying, "Oh, we need to find a solution. What can be the solution?" And in the past, in France, those kind of things didn't happen because the child, the students, they were afraid of the teacher. The teacher had some authority, and if one child was not afraid, he will be expelled from school and go to work and whatever. Nobody cares because it was not about each individual. Now each person has rights, even if it's a very bad person. All the rest needs to suffer for this child. So me, I just ask the question: did they try to slap him each time he hits someone? Did they try this? And we need a brainstorming. Brainstorming is a way to find solutions to problem. First, in the brainstorming, you need to put out any ideas that comes to mind and put them on a board. And after this phase of creative thinking, then you need to separate, associate different ideas in order to find a solution, a better solution that if you try to find the solution without this creative process at first. So that's all I'm saying. Did they try to slap him each time he hits someone? And we need a brainstorming. That's my tweet. There is nothing. And they say this tweet calls for violence against someone or harassment against someone. But honestly, I'm not a parent of the school. I'm not a student. I'm not a teacher there. I'm nothing. I just wish violence on this kid. I don't care about him. I don't care about the school. I'm just commenting on a news story, and I'm just asking a question. Did they try this solution? Because they say, oh, we've tried everything, doesn't work. Did they try this? Yes or no? And they need to do a brainstorming, creative process to find a solution. That's my tweet. I don't call, oh, we should kill this kid or whatever. I don't suggest anything. I ask a question and say, a brainstorming will be a good way to find a solution instead of saying, oh, there's no solution, we don't know what to find. But you don't try to find a solution. You just say, oh, there's nothing to do. That was the news story. So that's it. This is my tweet. And you can see that they say, if you rather just delete the content, you can cancel your appeal. So I cancel my appeal and I delete my tweet and my account will be unblocked. So you see, that's a blackmail from Twitter. So I will just do that now. I will cancel my appeal, delete my tweet, which I don't care about, and you will see that I will have my account back. So that's a blackmail. Appeal process of Twitter doesn't exist. And here you have it. I have access to my account unblocked. So you see, the appeal is just a gimmick to make you delete your tweet or just wait for 1 year, 10 years with no more Twitter account. So Elon Musk, if you listen to this, you know what you're doing. You know it. So, but at least now everybody knows it. Bye bye.